Okay, good morning. Good morning. So what do we have here? This is Toyota Rav4. So what year is this? 2018. Let me check. Oh yeah, 2018 Toyota Rav4. So complain of this car. Customer told me it's just suddenly it doesn't have both headlight when you turn on the headlight switch. So let's try it. Okay, I think this, yeah, okay, light is on. Let's see. Okay, I think the park light is on, but no headlight. Yeah, that's, he's right. No lights, no headlight. Let's try maybe the high beam. Oh, that's the high beam right there. See the blue sign. And also nothing. No light. Okay. You know what, sometimes let's try to start the car. Let's open the window, you never know. So I'll turn on the light. Oh, still no light. Both of them. Okay. Let's turn it off. Let's open the hood. Okay, so no headlight. Okay. Oh, there's access in here. Let me just check the bulb. Is this the bulb? Yeah, this is the one. Just unplug it. Oh, it's only two wire, red and black and white. Let me see. Oh, ooh, look at the bulb. Really? Both of them is. Let's see this. Hold on. Let me show it to you. If you can see, it's broken. It's broken. Let me get the second one. Just unplug it. Oh, really? Even the second one, it's burned. Really? Oh, one is Albania, one is Philips. It's burned. Really? Let me check if we had an extra bulb in here. Okay, I got two extra, but anyway, I'm gonna buy a brand new one. This is just for testing. Just wanna confirm, or just wanna see if it will burn right away, because seldom you will experience. Oh, this is different. I think this is different. Let's double check. No, it's okay, they're the same. Oh, they're different. I guess this one is okay. Let me look for one more. I just want to test it again. I'm gonna buy a new one. Just want to check if it's really the bulb. I'm pretty sure the bulb is broken, but I would just want to know if it will burn right away as soon as we turn on the headlight, because seldom you can experience a burned headlight at the same time. This is my first time to experience that actually. Usually one of them will burn and the other one is okay. Okay, let's just do it then. Let's turn on the light. Let's see. Oh, it's on. So it's just a bulb. It's okay. It didn't burn right away. So it's just the bulb. I'm expecting a module or a relay or a fuse. Anyway, we're just gonna go buy this kind of bulb. Okay, so we just came back from the auto parts store. So this is the brand that we were going to use, Philips. So part number, I don't know just the part number, but 9012. So let's put it on. Alright, let's take one at a time. Let's put this one first. Okay, super shiny. Right. Nice. Put this on. Okay, the other one. This way. Okay, let me just put this on. Right, it's on. Let's remove this test light. The used one that I used a while ago to test it. For testing. Let's put it on. Super quick. Just twist it. Okay. Let's put this over here. Let's try it. I think we don't need to start the car. Go. Perfect. Alright, it's all good. Nice one. It's nice. Alright, it's all good. That's it. No challenge, but that's how it is. Right, done. Just try to start the car. I just wanna check everything. You never know. Okay. Turn it on. Light on. Good. High beam. See the blue right there. Blue sign, that's for high beam. Perfect. Nice. Alright, good.